Welcome to the Food and Beverage Updates tutorial. Updates are a great way to make announcements to your team and get actionable insights regarding who has seen and reacted to them. There are two common types of announcements used by food and beverage companies. The first would be operational updates, such as daily specials and menu changes, VIP guests or special events, and payroll announcements. The second would be engagement announcements, to celebrate the employee of the month, welcoming new employees, or wish your team a happy holiday. The first screen you see would be the Updates lobby. Here you can see the list of all of your active updates, their status, who commented, liked, and viewed them. Let's create a new update right now. Click on the Add New button. You can either start from scratch or use a template. Let's use a template. Let's welcome our new employees to their first day of work. Use the search bar to find the template that works best for you and click to select this template. There are many ways to customize your update by selecting the background of your choice, adjusting the text to your liking, and of course, using the many attachments available to make sure you get your message across. Once you are done customizing your update, just select who to publish it to. You can publish it to selected users or smart groups. Select the publication settings, when to publish, whether to enable comments or post on the feed, and many more. Once you are done, just click on Confirm. Easy, right? Once you access a specific update, you can get some actionable insights about it. You can see the mobile app engagement from your employees, view the update, and of course, like and comment. It is also very easy to understand who viewed or did not view your update. Just select the relevant employees and remind them to review the update with a push notification or a chat message. As you can see, updates are a great way to improve the communication in your company and make sure your employees are aware of changes and engaging with the content that you post. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to reach out with any questions.